By now, we've covered most of the major portions of the Smith chart. We know that these circles here represent constant resistances. We know that the arcs represent constant reactances. We know that the middle line represents pure resistance. We know that the outer circle represents pure reactance. We also know that this intergradiated scale represents the angle of the reflection coefficient, and we know that there are two additional scales, the VSWR scale and the magnitude of the reflection coefficient, that we can use, and we can measure the radius of the operating circle, and that will tell us VSWR and magnitude of reflection coefficient. The only part that's left on the Smith chart are these two other scales, and this scale here we see has an arrow that points clockwise and it says wavelengths towards the generator, and then we've got another scale right here and we've got an arrow that points counterclockwise and it says wavelength towards the load. And so what we're going to do next is explain what the uses of those two scales on the Smith chart are for.